Page 39, the joke. Here we're starting to use the hands together more and more. It gets a little bit tricky because we're kind of using different fingers in each hand, and that's where things get off. It's easier if we can use the same finger in each hand all the time, but music doesn't work that way. So let's look it over. I see it's about 4 lines long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. The time signature is 3/4 time. It has a pickup beat, so we're coming in on beat 3. That means the first 2 beats got to be somewhere else, and they'll be at the bottom. You see the last measure has a half note. That's 2 counts. I see quarter notes, half notes, and that's pretty much it. Quarter notes and half notes. I'm going to go ahead and take the hands together, and I'll talk about the last 2 measures when we get there. So right now it's here and here. So we're in this position. So it's 3-1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then together we have a G, a D, and a B together. All together. And then go on here, okay? Second line, last 2 measures. The hands are playing at the same time. You have a D and a B together. And then a C and an A. And a B and a G. Because you're using different fingers, and this is a little weird at first, but over time you get used to the weirdness, and it's not weird anymore. You just do it. It takes time. It's one of those things we practice. It doesn't hurt. If you would like, just take a 5-finger position. It could be any 5-finger position. It doesn't matter, and just go up and down it. Both hands here, here, here. See, the middle fingers play together. This gives you a feeling of playing different fingers in each hand at the same time. Here. So if I do the same finger in each hand, that's easy because the hands just mirror each other fine. But when I'm using this direction together, that's weird. So you might think about practicing that a little bit too. It'll help when you get pieces like this, because you're already used to that feeling. Yeah. You get the same thing at the bottom. Once I have the notes and the rhythms worked out and the fingering, I go back over it slowly and carefully and get rid of the hesitations. And then I'll think about the articulation. And here we have the phrasing and lift up. Connect. Like taking a breath between all the phrases. Okay. Then the dynamics. The only one I see is the F at the beginning. Isn't that going to be fun? F is forte for loud. I just don't recommend playing the whole thing at one level. Ugh. It's on the loud side. Okay. You can get a little louder and softer if you feel it, but you got to get into the music. So if you feel it getting a little louder and softer, do it. Just, you're on the loud side. And speed is steadily. Boy, there's no help at all on this speed stuff. Good grief. You always need to be steady. The beat needs to be a regular beat. You don't mess that up. So I guess if you were going to sing it, how fast would you sing it? Well, the joke, I guess you don't have a slow joke. Slow is... That's slow. And fast is... So it's going to be somewhere in the middle. Somewhere in there, however you feel it. I don't remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3. So at the beginning it's to here. Don't copy me. You don't need to go that fast. There's a ritardando toward the end. You slow down a little bit. The fermata, hang on to that until you're tired of listening to it, and then let go. If I do it with a metronome, I'll just double the half note and I'll hold it for 4 counts instead of 2, but you do it however you want or however your teacher tells you to. You can do this. That's your steadily, that's your speed, that's fine. It's a personal thing. Now at the bottom on closer look, they say right in the counts in the first line. That's because of the pickup measure. They want to make sure you understand you're coming in on beat 3. So that is 3-1. So you can just write in there. Otherwise, mostly quarter notes. That's not a problem, I hope. Let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. And just go ready, go. Ready, go. One, two. One, two. Two. One, two, hold, 2, off.